So my name is Sheridan-Newnham and I do childcare level 3 at Lewes College. Well, I just think it was more, the first time that I come here I've done health and social care and I felt it was more relaxed, and the first year involves an exam, the second year is all coursework. It's very heavy loaded, but it is worth it. You find out a lot of information about children and how they work and how their development works and how you could work as a practitioner, and you gain a lot of experience from it. So you go out onto placement both first year and second year, and during placement you get to experience it firsthand, so you get to use your knowledge within the children. You also gain more knowledge from the practitioners and how they work in different settings. Well, I have one tutor, but all my teachers are lovely. They all work with you, they all ensure that you're on the right track, and if you need extra support, they give it to you within college, and if it's anything out of college as well. So if you're struggling with anything, they're always there for you, they'll always support you, and they're always willing to talk to you. After this course I want to go into a setting first, but in the future I'm going to work towards to being a support worker, because I like helping children, I like helping people, and I feel like that's something I want to do. But without childcare obviously I wouldn't have been able to achieve that.